Okay, so the other day we left this 3M tablecloth on this stove, and it got burnt and the cloth was stuck here. So to get this off, what you can do is to heat it up again so that it begins to melt away. So do not use a plastic spatula because this will melt alongside with this. So instead you can choose to use this metal spatula or this as well. Personally, I like this one because it is unlikely to scratch the surface of your stove. So let's see how we can get this off. So let's see. So as you do this, it gets easier and easier. You can see that the stove is heating up again. And apply, let's go at this. And before you know it, it's more or less done. Then you can just polish it a little bit. Okay, try not to use any abrasive agent to do so. Okay, so when it's hot, this is the best time to scrape off whatever that is stuck on the stove. Okay, you also need to control the heat that's coming through. Do not put it at high heat, otherwise your material that's stuck on the stove will continue to burn and you will smell something really horrible as a result of doing so. So you can see that the granules are coming out already very nicely to the side. Okay, so it's getting off. Okay, all the things are coming off. As you can see, this metal spatula is not scratching the surface. Okay, this is a curved type. It's pretty good. Okay, it's going off already. And you're more or less done. There you go. All the plastic granules are hitting off very nicely. Okay, if you could, you can suck it up with a vacuum very quickly as it comes along. There you have it.